Alright, hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I'm doing another pairs of Prima Taste stuff. I've got 4 more to do, so I'm going to do 2 today, and then you'll see the other 2 tomorrow. We've got Juzz's Me Original Spicy Flavor. And you know what? I'm thinking about it. I looked at the recipe on this one, and you drain this, and it's been a long time since I've had it, but I don't know that I actually prepared these correctly before. I think I made them as a soup, and that could have been the reason I wasn't like extremely fond of these. So I guess we'll see if that's the case. We got some spicy, we got some oil. Yeah. And then we're going to put the noodles in the boil. There you go. For how long? For 4 minutes. So let's throw this back over here. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, being a double header of noodles, it's only 4 minutes to cook these, but I've got something else. This is new. This is the Prima Taste Ready Meal. Yeah, you're not going to be able to get this in the US, but it'd be neat if you could. So call your congressman. Tell them to make sure that I don't let things boil over on the stove, and tell them, hey, ease trade restrictions with Southeast Asia so they can bring in chicken. Anyways, this is Indian curry with rice. And that sounds super good. So basically you just take this thing, mush it down a little bit. And then a little snip in the edge, like so. And then you microwave it for 90 seconds at 800 watts. So 90 seconds. And now we got that cooking as well. So, all right, let's stir these noodles. Yeah, I don't think I cooked the noodles right the first time I had them. That's cool. I mean, sorry, but you know, it's kind of cool because it's like, I don't know. I'll have to look. That would surprise me because I try, but it's been years since this came out. I want to say like 3 or 4 years, maybe more. So it's possible I made an error. Unbelievable, yes, I know, but it does happen more often than you'd expect. So that's going. We got a minute. We got 90 seconds left on the noodle. Yeah. So it is a rainy, dark, dreary day outside. My daughter and I went out for our daily walk. It's Monday, the 21st here. Posted the top 10 spicy list this morning. So that's pretty cool. And yeah, so kind of just, yeah, it's dark and gray outside. Very dark, very gray. And that one's done. Ouch. Yeah. And it's hot. These things come out like really hot, but as my mother always would say when I say, man, that's hot. She's like, well, you don't want it cold, do you? my mom. She's a character. Okay. There's that. Ooh. Wow. I think most sane people would give it like a minute or two to stop being so violently hot, but as you can see, I've got two things going on at once. So there's that. We'll let that sit for just a moment. Let me drain this and stir it up, and we'll get back to this. So we're draining the Juzz's Me's regular spicy, or original spicy. There's that. We'll let that sit for a second. Let me gussy up this rice real quick. I think this is, yeah, this is one of their new ones, the Indian curry. Alright. Let's get down a bit. Okay, so there's that. Indian curry, I think we'll go with a little bit of this. Sprig of this. I don't know what else to do. Maybe a little garlic? Yeah? I like garlic. I'm a big, big garlic fan. Here's a little fried garlic. Yeah, I think that's probably, well, why don't we let do you want to do an egg? How about it? Let's do an egg. Here is an egg. But yeah, luckily this morning my daughter and I didn't get totally soaked. I decided to curtail our walk a little bit short, and luckily that was the right move, because right after we got home it was decidedly wet outside, so that could have gone horrible. Recently she's gotten way too wet and cold and all that, so it's like no more of that. No more of that. Yeah, let's let this rotate. I'm gonna stir up this other one. There goes Rotato. I'm actually gonna go ahead and take a little nicer bite of this. Look at that. That's a big chunk of chicken. Yeah. Okay. That one's gonna be too spicy for my wife. And the last time I did this, I saved the leftovers, and my wife and my daughter enjoyed them. But I think this is going to be too hot for my wife. My daughter, she's only 2 years old, but man, she can handle, she can hold her own on the spicy, which warms my heart to no end. I like it when my kids like to explore the spicy end of things. And they can handle more spicy than I could at their age, so that's pretty rad. I remember my folks got me a hot sauce that had a big plastic pink brain on top of it when I was like 10, and it was just like melted my mind. I'm like, no. And then I just kept trying spicy stuff, and I don't know. But I'm not just into just straight spicy. It's like, I like the flavor. I like it both. I want something spicy and I want something tasty. Savory spicy, that's kind of the trick. And this smells like an Amiga Ring. What's funny too is it smells like Amiga Ring, but the noodles in these are totally not like what you would think of it. I don't know. When you think Amiga Ring, you probably think of a different brand. But this has that same kind of scent. But the noodles, as you can see, are very wide. Girthy. So let me give this one a try. I'm stoked. Wow. Wow, that's yummy. And that's not a term I like to use all that often, but this one definitely warrants yummy. Okay. And definitely warrants an egg. Come on. Sometimes it just can't be a rotating kind of action when I'm doing stuff. Okay. Oh. Oh, you don't want to let go, do you? All right. I think this one's going to be a little trickier. That went pretty well. Okay, and I think this would do well with some of that. Maybe a little bit of tofu poke. Uh-oh. My daughter's out there saying, no, no. There's some chicken. Let's get some fried onion on this. And a touch of chili flake, I think will round it out. Just a pinch. There you go. All right, and that is that. This one's good. I mean, if you like Amiga Ring, it's got that nice kind of oniony, oily thing. It doesn't really have a lot of that sweetness that you might be used to, which is fine. I mean, if you really want it sweet, go get some sweet soy sauce. But rotate. All right, well, thanks for joining me. This was the Juzz's Me Original Spicy, and this was the Ready Meal Indian Curry Rice. So, awesome. You can find this one in the States. This one, you're going to have to go to Singapore. So, have a good one. Bye.